Hi guys, this is Muskan and welcome to Glam Shades, the show where I review products so you don't have to. आज मैं एक ऐसे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ जिसके बिना हमारे मेकअप की शुरुआत ही नहीं होती. Yes, I'm talking about foundation. The one I have with me here is a stick foundation from Sugar Cosmetics. It's called Ace of Face Foundation Stick. फाउंडेशन इज ऑलवेज द फर्स्ट स्टेप इन आवर मेकअप रूटीन क्योंकि ये हमारे पूरे लुक का बेस फॉर्म करता है. इट हाइड्स एनी blemishes or dark spots and also evens out our skin. Before I tell you about this foundation, let me tell you a little about Sugar Cosmetics. Sugar Cosmetics is a young Mumbai-based brand. They started off as an online store, but now they have retail stores across the country. They're designed for the modern woman who's always on the go. इनके प्रोडक्ट्स काफ़ी हाई कलर पे ऑफ देते हैं और साथ ही साथ दे लास्ट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. आइए इस प्रोडक्ट के पैकेजिंग के बारे में थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं. As I told you before, this foundation comes in a stick form. It's a black stick with a beautiful matte finish. एक तरफ you'll be able to see the name of the brand और दूसरी तरफ you'll be able to see the name of the foundation and the shade name. जैसे आप इसे खोलेंगे, you'll be able to see the product. Twist up करके you can get access to more. And when I told you that this brand is all about the woman who's on the go, I wasn't kidding. क्योंकि दूसरे साइड पे you'll find a brush जिसकी मदद से आप फाउंडेशन को बहुत easily blend कर सकते हैं. ये फाउंडेशन का फॉर्मूला काफ़ी लाइट वेट है. उसके साथ साथ इट्स वेरी क्रीमी एंड ब्लेंडेबल. इट गिव्स यू मीडियम कवरेज एट फर्स्ट बट बिल्डेबल है, सो यू कैन बिल्ड इट अप इफ यू नीड मोर. ये आपके फाइन लाइंस को कवर करेगा, पोर्स को कवर करेगा, साथ ही साथ डार्क सर्कल्स को भी कवर करेगा. द शेड आई हैव विद मी हियर इज 45 कॉर्न पैना, but they have other shades available like 07 Vanilla Latte and 42 Glaze. You can apply this foundation directly on your face, but मैं हमेशा recommend करती हूँ that you prep your skin first. Start off by washing it with your favorite cleanser and then toning and moisturizing. उसके बाद use a primer that suits your needs best. After you have primed your face, reach for this 2-in-1 foundation stick from Sugar. When you twist up the foundation stick, you'll find that its flat edge is perfect for even application. Carefully paint a stroke on the T-zone underneath your eyes and on your chin. Always concentrate the foundation in the center of your face and then blend it outwards for a more natural look. Switch over to the other side of the stick and gently buff the product in outward motions until it's evenly blended into the skin. What I've noticed with this foundation is that a little goes a very long way. So always start by applying a little and then build it up as necessary. When we think of foundations, we always think of compact foundations or liquid foundations. But this is something new and innovative. ये खासकर तब काम आता है when you're somebody who doesn't have the time to do their makeup at home. Talking about the brush, इसका brush काफ़ी अच्छा है because इसके bristles काफ़ी tightly packed है as you can see. So they don't leave any uneven streaks on your face and they blend in the foundation quite well. A lot of people don't wear the right shade for their skin tone. जब आप कुछ काफ़ी light या कुछ ज़्यादा dark पहनते हैं, it looks very unnatural on your face. That's why it's very important to find the right shade of foundation for you. When you're going to buy a foundation, don't test it on your forearm क्योंकि आपके forearm का color और आपका face का color काफ़ी अलग होता है. Your forearm color is usually a lot lighter than your face. So always test a foundation either on your cheek or your jawline. इससे आप confirm कर पाएंगे that this shade is going to work for your face. So if you're looking for a foundation that covers up all the imperfections on your face and is quite travel friendly, I highly recommend you go for this one. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more videos.